See this? Coming soon. So this will be my life for the next, I guess, all day, because they didn't say what time they were dropping it. So just gotta, my life will be constant refreshes until we can get this thing to pop up. Still coming soon. Still coming soon. The things we do for our children. Y'all, I'm so mad. I got in, had it in the cart, then it went away. Now it's just saying, can y'all see that? Waiting for more inventory. The site crashed. This is like a real life jingle all the way. This is ridiculous. Y'all, I think I got it. Yo, if this thing glitch out, I'm going to freak out. Check out. What does it say? What does it say? What does it say? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's calling it. Text Tonio for verification. Oh. Tonio, check your text messages. Hurry up.
Okay.
Did you get a verification code?
This code, Capital One won't call you for this code. Number code 664244.
Oh my God, come on. Tonio, this thing, did we get it? Your order will be ready for pickup on Saturday, December 19th. We got it! We got it! We got it! Christian, what we got today?
The PS5.
What was it?
The PS5.
You excited? Cause mommy got that thing. What you was doing?
Shoes going back.
What?
What you mean what?
Oh, you talking about the other stuff you bought?
Yeah. Straight up.
Mommy, let me show.
Look. What? Show 'em what? What are you doing?
Get right here. No, here's that way.
Face this way?
Yeah. I'm showing them how to shoot.
Y'all, he wants y'all to see how he shoot.
2, 3.
That's your basketball hoop over there? I'm pretty sure that's all my pillows and blankets and stuff.
Yeah.
Why you got
Really?
one sock on?
I don't know.
Anyway, y'all, we got the PS5. We got the PS5. I got the PS5
But for me.
because he was tripping.
Yeah, I don't care about no PS5.
He was tripping. Even KJ and Jabari was tripping. They did not believe in me. KJ was like, Mama, just give it up. You're not gonna get it. You're not gonna get it. I got it. Got it.
Okay.
Anyway, y'all, welcome. Let me pull this up. Welcome back to the vlog. So we really didn't do anything today except for I waited online for 4 hours to cop that PS5. I got that. So that's not a surprise. The kids know, hey, it is what it is. But it's night and now it's time to make dinner. So I figured I would show y'all what I learned like last week. And I have made like 6-7 times since I learned how to do it. So I'm gonna put y'all down here and we are about to make some biscuits. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna tell y'all about the simplest, easiest, most delicious biscuit recipe that I found out about. It does not belong to me. I heard it from my mother. My mother heard it from my aunt. But my aunt heard about it from Granny Karma here on YouTube. So if y'all are looking for good recipes, including this one, y'all can go over to Granny Karma's channel. But since y'all are here, I'm gonna show y'all how to make them too. So shout out to Granny Karma, because for real, I found out about this recipe, I think it was last week or the week before last, and I have literally made biscuits almost every day, pretty much like every other day since I found out about it. I'm a bread lover. That's what I do. That's what I love. So we're gonna get right into it. This is so easy, y'all. 2 ingredients. 1 self-rising flour. Gots to be the self-rising flour. And 2 heavy whipping cream. All right, here we go. Real simple. Let me pan this down so y'all can see. All right, y'all good? Y'all good. Okay, let's move this out the way. The recipe is 1-to-1. So if you do 1 cup of flour, you're gonna do 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You do 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So I'm gonna do 2 cups. 2 cups makes about between 12 to 13 biscuits. That's how much I'm gonna make. I actually normally do 1 cup, but I've been making biscuits like crazy, and tonight I want to have some biscuits left over for breakfast in the morning, so I'm gonna do 2 cups. Measuring cup, the cup, take it, shake it off. That's 1. And that's 2. And now the cream actually comes, it already comes in a 2-cup mixture, so I don't even got to measure this. I'm gonna open this up. Let me get y'all right inside here because I want y'all to see what I'm about to do. Okay, so I got my heavy whipping cream. Before I start pouring my heavy whipping cream in, I just take the fork and just kind of beat up the flour a little bit so it's not clumpy, and then I just pour in. Mix and pour, mix and pour, mix and pour. Pour about half of it. Mix it up real good. It's gonna be looking like this. Whoop, gonna start getting clumpy. Gonna pour the other half. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna mix it up real good. All right. And now y'all see it is pretty thick, nice and thick like. We're gonna put that to the side. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. I'm just gonna take some of that flour and I'm going to pour it all over my countertop. Y'all already know, make sure your countertop is clean. And then I'm also gonna take some and just coat my hands with it like that. I'm going to take this out. Y'all see it's pretty sticky, so you wanna make sure that you coat your hands with the flour so it won't stick as much. I'm gonna lay that dough out. And mine is sticking pretty good, so I'm gonna put a little extra flour on it and over the top of it. It's okay, y'all, it won't hurt anything. Put some over the top. And now we are going to knead and roll that dough. Knead it real good, make sure it's all mixed in there. Put a little bit more flour over it. It's kind of sticky in some areas, so When it's like that, y'all see it there, I just put a little bit more flour over it. It's not gonna hurt it. All right, so now, let me get this up. I'm actually gonna add that in. So once you get it all folded and kneaded very good, you can flatten it out by hand if you want, or you can take a rolling pin like I'm going to do. All right, look at that, y'all. So now we got us some pretty dough. Grab my rolling pin. I'm gonna coat this as well, put a little bit of flour on that as well so it does not stick. And then, let's put that right back in the center. I'm gonna take my dough and I'm gonna just roll it out like that. Now I don't want it too flat, cause I want my biscuits kind of thick. So y'all see I still gotta, yeah, that's the size I want. I don't want to roll it out too thin, but just roll it out. And now you're gonna take a cup and we just about to pop. Gonna cut out some biscuits. See? All right, so I'm sorry, one thing I missed. I'm gonna put this, I'm using my cast iron skillet. That's what my Granny Karma used, so that's what I'm using. But I'm sure this will work on any type of baking dish. But I got my cast iron over here. Let me scoot y'all over so y'all can see. Move the cup, stand up. And then I'm just gonna get them and place them right there in the pan. That's all I'm gonna do. Alright, and then when it gets down like that, I'm just gonna smush it back together and keep doing the same process over and over again until I use as much of my dough as possible. So, all right, y'all, so here are my biscuits. I actually ended up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually ended up making 10 because I made them kind of thick. You want to put these in the oven, depending on your oven, between 400 and 450. Now, the first time I made them, I put mine in the oven at 400 for about 10 to 12 minutes. But they were not done and they took a very long time to brown on the top. So the next time I made them, I started putting them in at 450 for 12 minutes and they come out perfect. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna slide them in. Hey Google, set timer for 12 minutes.
All right, 12 minutes, starting now.
And that is it. And when they come out in 12 minutes, we will pull them out and we will take a look at how good and perfect these biscuits are. All right, you guys. Ooh, this thing is so hot. Let me hold it. Y'all, look at those biscuits. Perfect. I'm gonna let them cool off for a second and then we'll open one together. But before I do that, let me put some butter on the top of them. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all. Oh, this should be illegal. Granny Karma. Baby, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me tell y'all this. When you put them in your oven, you want to just keep your eye on them. because I did these thicker, I had to put them in there longer than 12 minutes. So I set my first timer for 12 minutes, and then I looked at it and they were still kind of white on top. So I added another 12 minutes to the timer, but I only let them go for an additional like 6 minutes. So all in all, they were really only in there for, what is that, like 18 minutes? 18. So, and this is what I got after 18 minutes, even with the biscuits being thick. Y'all, tell me them biscuits don't look smacking. Smacking. Popeyes who? Popeyes who? We're not buying biscuits from Popeyes no more. We got Granny Karma recipe. Come on now. All right, you guys, so here are the biscuits. Yes. So I'm gonna pull one out real quick and just show y'all how flaky. Should I pull it from this side? Yeah. Show y'all how flaky and buttery. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Best biscuits. Easiest biscuit recipe. Hands down, the easiest, and they taste the bomb. So we're about to eat frying fish and grits and biscuits. Yes, it all goes together. Anyway, I will see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all so much for joining me for another day of Vlogmas. And tomorrow, I won't tell y'all yet, but come back tomorrow and y'all see what we're doing. All right, say bye.